Hey everybody, welcome back to the workshop. In today's scroll saw project video, we're going to be making a sign out of some 3/4 inch pine, and it's going to be a sign that says Man Cave. It's designed to look like a wrench. This is a Steve Good design. I think it's going to turn out real good, and once again I apologize that the patterns aren't really showing up. My computer's running out of ink, or the printer's running out of ink, and I'm just trying to stretch it and get all the ink out of it I can before I replace the cartridges, because computer ink is expensive. So hopefully this shows up. Man Cave. Now, I use a 16-inch Delta scroll saw. This pattern is a little bit longer than 16 inches, so it's going to be tricky to cut this pattern out on this scroll saw, but I think we can get it done. So let's head over to the drill press, drill our pilot holes, and get started. And we're going to start by drilling our pilot holes with a small drill bit over on the drill press. I think maybe 15 or 20 internal cuts for this project, and then we're going to start scrolling. I'm going to start toward the middle of the project and work my way to the outsides. I'm using number 5 reverse tooth sharp tooth scroll saw blades for this project. The design, as I said, is from Steve Good, and if you want to try this project, you can download the pattern free at scrollsawworkshop.blogspot.com over in the pattern catalog. Here we are finishing up with the word man. Start on the C in cave. Done with our inside cuts. Just got 2 done, and I had to move the tripod because the piece was actually swinging around and hitting my tripod, so that's the cause of the different angle here. And here we have the final one, and as you can see, the wrench is actually hitting the back of the scroll saw, so I'm having to actually half the circle here on the end of the pattern and cut out 2 half moons, as you're seeing here, to get it done. And I'm having to lean back to accommodate for the wrench swinging around. Now we're going to start to release the piece from the wood. We're going to do the front part here, and again it was hitting the back of the scroll saw, so I went ahead and finished cutting that piece completely off before I started with the next piece. If you guys like what you're seeing here and are learning something, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also follow me online at Instagram. I post there regularly, and you can find me there at Artisan Pirate. Now that all the cutting's done, we're going to move on to sanding. Use the palm sander with a medium grade grit, and then we're going to move back over to the workbench and finish sanding with some sandpaper along the sides and everything, get it nice and smooth. And then I'm going to take a wood burner and add my initials and the month and the year, and the project will be completed. We have the completed man cave wrench. Think it turned out real good. Sanded up real nice and smooth. All that's left to do is apply a finish, and I think this would look great spray painted silver, or stained a nice natural wood color, or left natural to bring out the grain in the pine, and just have a nice clear coat put on it, and then given to your favorite gearhead or hang out in anyone's workshop. I think it would make a great gift for people. It took me about 30 minutes to cut this out, so it doesn't take long at all to do. You could also stack cut these out of some 1/4 inch wood and put them on a backer board for 2 different colors and a different kind of look and make more than one at a time. Again, this is 3/4 inch pine shelving board. It cuts smooth, it sands up smooth, and I really like it. Hope you guys do too. That is about all for this video. Remember guys, if I can make it, so can you. I'll have another one of my older videos floating up in this corner and the subscribe button floating in this corner. Until next time guys, I'm the Artisan Pirate and I'll see you real soon.